Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download and add fonts into CapCut Mobile. So go to thefont.com and select the font you want to download. I'm just going to download this one. And I'm just going to select download. Select the downloads button here and press downloads. Select the font. Select it again. And you're just going to find the font name in your files and you're going to select it. It's the same, by the way, that's like the files. So open the file and select the share button. And you are just going to open CapCut. Import footage to CapCut. I know that's not a footage, but just open any project. Go to text, go to add text, and type in anything you want. Go to font, select the plus button here on the very right, and select the font that we just downloaded. And select your font. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!